Okay.
You seem to be very relaxed, Mayor, considering the fact that you'd been in the receiving end with various tirades from your political adversaries.
Well, after 20 years of always at the receiving end every election, it has always boiled down to something like yung corruption, yung patayan, then women, and those are the usual hogwash, yung lamaw na binibigyan nila sa tao. But I said those are the things that I can stand on, and I stand by all the transactions that I made in government. And I'm willing to go down and be hung if I am. Ngayon ang garbage bins. Yung garbage bins, they are really manufactured to stand and endure abuse. Kasi container yan, and they are made of the highest quality materials, high-tech. And it's made by Schaefer. It's an international community dedicated to the manufacture of all equipments and things you need in connection with environment and garbage. As a matter of fact, actually, kita ko man, sandali ha, hanapin natin yung the garbage bins actually, yung nakikita natin dito, may warranty yan. 3 years, tapos i-repair nila. What is 5 years? And this is not only garbage bins because it's a package actually. Yung truck na, it's a special kind kasi there's a class there somewhere that it will just pick up the bins and throw it to the compactor and put it on the ground again. Ang nagbili niyan actually, ano yan, international. It's an international company. It's a high density polyethylene. I don't know what's animal is this. But it's good for 8 years ang warranty. Sabi nila yung sa Santa Ana, I bet my life and my honor and my position. Maghanap sila ng plastic dyan sa Santa Ana. They can look for any kind of plastic there at the Santa Ana, sinasabi nila, and buy it. And you can use it day to day. And it cannot endure more than 30 days. It would not last 30 days. I am very sure of that. It was a warranty of 8 years, and they will repair it for us. It can stand abuse. Talagang it's durable. And of the many cities, Davao, Taguig, Mandawi, Puerto Princesa, Olongapo, Quezon City, Cebu City, and Talisay. Of course, those who bought their garbage bins now, mas mahal. At the price of something like more than 2,000 more than what we got them during our time 5 years ago. Kasi yung exchange rate was not that high. So nagbabari ito. And there's no going down. In this world, it's always going up. Prices go up. You can never find an item na kita mo bumaba. It's always a runaway up into the air. Lahat yan. And ang gumagamit ng garbage bins, actually, among others also, the commercial, the Rockwell. Yung Rockwell, yung condominiums, pati yung mall, La Tondena, Shell, Robinsons, Watermart, ang SM.
The same type, Mayor.
The same type. Nestle, Marsman, Jollibee, Chowking, Unilab, Smart, Kraft Foods, De La Salle, and San Sebastian College. Diba? Mahusay itong ito. Kaya ko lang tanggap to.